How to transfer photos from Android to iPhone. Well, this complete guide covers the 6 clever methods to accomplish this task seamlessly, ensuring that your cherished photos make the journey without any loss or compromise in quality. Method 1. How to transfer photos from Android to iPhone easily and smoothly. If you want to complete the Android to iOS file migration seamlessly, Android to iPhone transfer should be your go-to solution. This reliable program is a top choice in the industry. Method 2. How to transfer pictures from Android to iPhone by Move to iOS. Android, get Move to iOS. Connect phones, Wi-Fi, power, phone, tap, move from Android. Use Move to iOS. Continue. Follow code, connect. Choose camera roll next. Finish iPhone setup. Method 3. How to send photos from Android to iPhone using Google Photos. Android, open Google Photos, sign in. Enable backup and sync in settings. iPhone, open Google Photos, sign in. Enable backup and sync in settings. Photos sync from Android to iPhone. Access Android photos on iPhone. Method 4. How to send pictures from Android to iPhone via Google Drive. Android, open Drive, sign in. Tap plus upload photos videos. Select images, upload. iPhone, get Drive app, sign in. In Drive, tap Files, find photos under My Drive. Method 5. How to share photos from Android to iPhone by ShareIt. Install ShareIt on Android, iPhone. Connect to same Wi-Fi. Android, tap Send, then Next. Choose Photos, tap Send. iPhone, open ShareIt. Receive, tap Sender's avatar. Photos transfer to iPhone. Method 6. How to share pictures from Android to iPhone over email. Android, open Email. New message. Add your email. Paperclip for pics. Attach images. Tap Send. iPhone. Open email. Download pics.